So what you're seeing on the screen in front of you is a customer dashboard, which would be provided to your customer on your website, right? Now you're seeing the Phasio logo here. Again, this is fully white labeled, right? So it's going to be your logo here, it's on your storefront. And the customer is able to see all of their orders that they've had before, the requests that they have open with you, and all the other details of their account with you. So let's go ahead and go to the catalog first. So the catalog is designed for a scenario where you've done product development for a customer and you would like to make that available for reordering. So the idea is that you've done some design project and you really want them to manufacture through you rather than going to a third party, and so you make it super easy for them to do so. That's exactly what this does. If you've done the design of this cable holder or this propeller for them, all the customer needs to do in order to reorder from you is go and click this little add to cart button on each of them, and what's going to happen is those parts are going to appear down in the cart. They click the button here and everything is pre-filled for them. They don't need to enter the manufacturing technology which is going to be made in. They don't need to enter any of the parameters there. It's all pre-filled for them. They just have to hit the submit order button, and this is going to go into your production backlog so that your manufacturing team can start making it. And they can do that for as many parts as they'd like to, right? So in this case, customers come in, you've done some design work for them, and you want to make it easy for them to reorder. The second scenario here is for customers who are perhaps a little later in the cycle. They've already got a design ready and they've ordered it from you before. So let's go into the orders section and we can see that there's this order PH123. Let's go and open that one up. And we can see that there's this hand left file, right? Now let's say that we just, we placed this order for quantity 4 some time ago, and we've actually decided now as a customer that we would like another one of them. So in this case, all the customer's got to do is go click the add to cart button, and they're able to then go ahead and reorder this part by just going through the exact same flow as before. So they can simply pass it through, put it into their cart, and they'll get the opportunity to fill in all of their shipping details and have the part mailed to them. It's all handled inside of the platform. Even the payment will be handled for them. The idea here is that it's supposed to be super easy for the customer to reorder a part from you, which makes their life easy because they can just click a few buttons and they get a new part, and it makes your life easy because you've made the part before. So the work involved in getting the part made again is not so significant. The last thing I want to note is everything inside of this screen is designed to help you deepen your customer relationships. So if I go into the orders again, you'll notice that there's these sections here around the chat, right? So these are communications. This is communication that you can have with your customer through the Phasio platform on your website, right? So again, it's all white labeled. So the customer is on your website, exchanging messages with you, exchanging files with you. They're able to pay for the parts on this platform. They're able to open up bespoke requests with you. The concept here is that if we can create a single point of contact between you and your customer, then we can automate a lot of the lower value tasks, like trying to get to an RFQ quicker than other people, or booking the invoice into your accounting system, and instead you can focus on what you do really well, which is making parts for your customers and building the customer relationship.